Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet A to Z. Yellow color, orange color, green color, black color, violet color, pink color, silver color, red color, brown color, gold color. Violet color, A for apple, A for ant. Violet color, B for butterfly. Violet color, C for cake. Violet color, D for dog. Orange color, E for igloo, E for elephant. F for fish, F for football. Z for grapes, G for grass. Yellow color, H for horse, H for house. Yellow color, I for igloo, I for ice cream. Yellow color, J for jug, J for juice. Yellow color, K for kite, K for kangaroo. Green color, L for light. Green color, M for mango. Green color, N for night. Pink color, O for owl. Pink color, P for parrot. Pink color, Q for queen. Pink color, R for rose. Gold color, S for snake. Gold color, T for tiger. Gold color, U for umbrella. Brown color, V for vegetable. Brown color, W for watermelon. Brown color, X for X-ray. Red color, Y for yak, Y for yarn. Red color, Z for zebra, Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you.